Welcome to Viking Cruises MS Antares. This is a deluxe French balcony cabin, which is 430 square feet. You have a queen bed or option for 2 twin beds with luxury linens and pillows, free Wi-Fi, a 55-inch LCD flat screen TV. You have a mini refrigerator in the room along with plushed robes and slippers, private bathroom with jet shower, jetted bathtub and hairdryer, and a warmy wardrobe with wooded hangers.
Intriguing 12-day itinerary, you can immerse yourself in ancient secrets, long buried in desert sands, while enjoying the welcoming culture of Egypt as you explore with Viking. Your journey begins with a 3-night stay in Cairo, the cradle of civilization, during which you can gaze upon the world's oldest step pyramid at Saqqara, the Great Pyramids, the stunning Sphinx, and enjoy Cairo's Museum of Egyptian Antiquities. You'll also have ample time to check out the city on your own. Luxor is next, unfolding before you for 2 amazing days. Satisfy your curiosity at the great temples of Luxor and Karnak, and the remarkable Valley of the Kings. Here you'll enjoy privileged access to the tomb of Queen Nefertiri, an exquisitely preserved site only a few visitors have the chance to see. In Cana, discover the sprawling complex of Dendera and its fascinating Temple of Hathor. Built by the Ptolemies and Romans in classic Egyptian style, it's one of Egypt's best preserved and less frequented temples. Isna is home to the red sandstone Temple of Khnum, the 1st century hypostyle hall filled with intricately carved columns and detailed hieroglyphics. You'll sail on to Aswan and the serene Philae Sanctuary. This oasis was rescued from the rising waters of the Aswan Dam and is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Or set out for Abu Simbel on an optional excursion to admire the great temple of Ramses II. A picturesque voyage along the Nile River brings you to Edfu, where you'll visit the Temple of Horus, the falcon god. It's one of Egypt's best preserved temples and an impressive remnant of the Ptolemaic dynasty. Your exotic Viking journey concludes back in Cairo, with free time to explore more of Egypt's intriguing culture.